All right, hello everybody. I said last time I did a portfolio update that I probably wouldn't do one for a little bit, but the issue with that is that my portfolio has been outperforming so massively recently that I genuinely just need to do this because it is absolutely baffling the returns that I have gotten over the past week and a half or so since I made the last video. So we're just gonna jump into it. So first of all, mutual fund is back at almost 10%, which is good. I mean, the market took a little tiny bit of a dip, I think like a week ago or so. No big deal. Celsius, I'm just about even on now, which is huge because I was down like 10%. I was down almost $100 on this stock alone. Chewy up 23%, Lulu up almost 10. Dollar General, another one that I was down a decent amount on, and I'm basically flat on it now. CRNC up 140%. Oh my God. PayPal, I'm up 12. Crocs, I'm up. Hood up 54%. Oh my Lord above. Snap, I'm up 16%, or sorry, 10%. And HIMS, I am up 39% on. HIMS is up 15% today. I can't believe I didn't put more into this, but it's okay. Um, it's okay. But anyway, that is just the performance side of it. We're going to get into the charts so I could just show some highlights here because a lot of these charts look amazing. So first of all, Celsius looks like it's in the process of breaking out of its most recent like trend line area. So first thing here is like the support area here. You could say it's also possibly just going up to like the top side of it as well. But in my opinion, it is most likely, hopefully, going to be breaking out to the upside very, very soon. So something along these lines, hopefully going to see a breakout. Next up, obviously, the goat of all goats, CRNC looks phenomenal. It actually hit this morning 772. Wait, what's the high? 773 for the high today. I didn't even see that. I wasn't even paying attention, but that is outstanding. There might be a little bit of a breakout going on here, not too sure. um, but anyway, let's get to Chewy. Look at this. So Chewy is honestly more of just a consistent gainer, but from where it was, I'm just expecting it to continue up. The chart at the current moment looks like it could have some short-term pain or whatever you want to call that. But overall, I'm looking somewhere within this area for the price to continue moving. Nothing too sexy with Chewy, but I'm up on it, so I don't care. For Snap, we are looking at, if the chart loads, for Snap, we are looking at the 18 to 16 range for them. They've been bouncing around in there for a while. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they got there because last earnings report was decent. It looks like there might be some news. Dismiss a lawsuit. Ooh, child exploitation. That's terrible. Age checks for users. So I'm assuming people are happy that the lawsuit may get dismissed. That is good. Let's look at Hood stock. Again, there might be a little bit of a breakout with Robinhood. Never know. Yeah, they are up enormously over the past few weeks, over the past few months, over the past 2 years. They are up enormously. I honestly don't know when it's going to stop, but I think they will continue to see a lot of growth in terms of like the financial side of things, the business side. But overall, the chart here, I have no idea what's going to happen with this chart. I believe it almost hit $40 today for the first time since just after the IPO. So fantastic for them. Fantastic for me, honestly. For HIMS, we can see once again, HIMS could honestly see like I can't really zoom out enough, but they could see like $40, I think, short term, just based on where the stock is going. So, um, meal replacement bars and shake. So they just introduced a bunch of new products, and I guess the whatever consumers are really liking it. So that's great. For PayPal, obviously they've been increasing for a while now. I don't honestly remember where I bought PayPal, but it was somewhere around 70 to 80 ish and up slightly. But again, you could see, sorry for all the moving around, but you could see they just sort of had a price breakout too, just made a new recent high. So good things there. The reason I'm looking down is because I have my list on my phone here. Um, by the way, Lulu looking good. I think that's all for them. Honestly, they it looks good. I have a very very long term like price support here that I kind of loosely follow, but honestly, that's it for their chart. Um, if they continue upward, I can honestly see the gap all the way up to like 450 being filled, possibly, and I don't know where they'll go from there, but I'm up on it, so I honestly don't care where they go. For Dollar General, of course, obviously the short term pain is painful, but I think they'll start finding a little bit more support around here somewhere. Earnings report coming up very soon, end of the Thursday, December 5th, beginning of next month. So in a couple days, we will get a new Dollar General earnings report, which should be good, hopefully. And then last, but certainly not least, is Crocs perfectly hitting the support line that I drew when I don't think I drew it when I reviewed the stock. I think I drew it when I bought it, but I don't know if I showed this chart yet on the channel. But perfectly hit the support line that I drew, and you could see it has only been up from there every single day. I think I bought it right around here as soon as I saw it getting close to the support line, and it has just performed perfectly. Again, with Crocs, I'm expecting it to be able to gap fill all the way up to like 120-ish. If it does, that's fantastic. If not, it is, in my opinion at least, a solid long-term hold for me. Earnings not for a little while, so nothing to look forward to there. But that is it for all of my stocks. So again, just really highlighting CRNC, which phenomenal earnings report. Huge gains there. Amazing. That's basically it for what I wanted to go through for the portfolio update. Up $18 on my bond, which is cool. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.